Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to dive right into how to use teamwork.com for managing and tracking paid time off. First up, we will be creating a project. After logging into teamwork.com, you should locate and click on the Add Project button. This will open a new page where you will need to fill in the details of your project, like the name, description, and start and end dates. Now, why is this important? Creating a project is the first step to managing any tasks, including tracking paid time off. This way, you can group together all time off-related tasks and manage them more efficiently. Now that we've done that, we move to the next step, adding tasks. To add a new task, go to the newly created project and click on Add Task. Here, you can specify the task, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. This helps us because it allows us to assign the task of tracking paid time off to a specific person, making the process more organized and accountable. The reason we do this is to make sure that everyone is on the same page and knows who is responsible for what. This way, there's no confusion and everything runs smoothly. Next up, we will be setting up the time off. Click on the Time tab in the project. Here you can add time entries for each day of the paid time off. Remember to set the status to logged and input the time in hours. The reason we do this is to accurately track the days and hours of paid time off, ensuring that all team members get their entitled time off. Let me explain why this matters. Accurate tracking of paid time off is crucial to maintaining a happy workforce. It ensures that employees feel valued and that their work-life balance is respected. It also helps in avoiding any misunderstandings or conflicts later on. Finally, we wrap things up by generating a report. Go to the Reports tab and select Time Report. Here, adjust the filters to display the time off for the desired period. Once the report is generated, you can export it for your records or share it with your team. This helps us because it provides a clear and concise record of all paid time off, making it easily accessible for future reference. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use teamwork.com for managing and tracking paid time off. Remember, the key to successful management is organization and clear communication. And with teamwork.com, it's easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.